Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one GoPro Hero 11. I purchased just today now, and I make this video where I am purchasing this GoPro and what is the price. I will provide you detailed demonstration, so let's check it out. First of all, I will tell you where I am purchasing this one. My favorite store located on Copenhagen, Denmark. That one is a Power. I am purchasing this GoPro around 450 euro as a Danish currency, 3,599 Danish krona. So now we'll see unboxing of this product. And the packing is quite interesting. What is the speciality? Because of I have already GoPro like a 7, 8, 9, 10 and this one is 11. Now we'll see unboxing of this box and let's see which types of product we are receiving and what is the advantage. Let's check it out. Now let's start as an unboxing. Simply remove this one. Now this one is empty. This is a box. Inside the box we are receiving, this is a magical booklet. So if you are facing some problem, so you can use this magic booklet and fix out. It's very simple. They are providing here 2 stickers, so you can use those stickers and put it anywhere. Here some of the simple magic booklet they are providing us, so we can put it outside. They are providing as usual the C type cable, and this one is a D type, so the charging cable is not usable, but I always charge this GoPro using my MacBook charger. So this is a battery, the original battery. We are receiving one. The stand, this is a perfect stand to use or fix out in your car or your helmet. That one is really interesting. I really needed this one because of I purchased new car, so I want fix out this one in my car like this, and you can fix like this. So this is a stand and this is our product, and the box is empty. Now we can skip it outside. So finally we are receiving this product. It's quite interesting. I just simply remove this one, and this is a Hero 11. Look at this, the GoPro, and we can remove this one, remove this one. So this is perfect 2-screen GoPro. It's very easy. Now we can put it here, the battery, and my GoPro is a start, and now is my GoPro is on. Now I needed to put it here memory card, charge the battery. This is a GoPro Hero 11 demo. I'm walking so fast, still stabilization is quite good. So guys, this is a simple unboxing of GoPro Hero 11. Upcoming days I will provide you best setting of GoPro Hero 11. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.